Kid.
Hi.
ThredUp Fun Box. Roll that intro. Hey guys, it's me, Kay, and you've arrived at my weird little corner of the internet. Welcome. If you're new here, I am a part-time reseller, mostly on eBay and Poshmark, and I have a ThredUp addiction. So we have a fun box here. I have my daughter Liv here, and we're gonna unbox this. This is $40 shipped to my house, 10 items roughly, and this one is from Pennsylvania. So let's open her up. Okay, rip open this paper and show what the inside looks like. It's interesting in there. Can you lift it? You need some assistance? Okay, that's what the inside looks like at first glance. All right, you first.
Do I have to?
No? Okay, I'll go first. I'll take this giant thing out of here. Okay, we got a puzzle. I have never seen a puzzle in one of my fun boxes. I have seen it unboxed here on YouTube though. This one's like one of those wooden board puzzles. It's all of these states of America, ages 5+. It is new, so I don't know, maybe I can get a few bucks out of this, though with only 10 items, that means everything is about $4 a piece. So yeah, I don't know about that.
Are the state birds on the back?
Yes, they are the state birds on the back. And each little state has a little picture on it. So like South Dakota has Mount Rushmore, and Texas has some cows and some bucking horses, and Alaska has a polar bear.
Walmart slides.
Ooh!
And they're bedazzled.
Oh, they are shiny. Size 7. Time and True brand. How much were they at Walmart?
$17.98.
$18 for some Walmart shiny slides. Okay. All right. All right. Going for this little bag. There's a few things in here, it looks like, but usually they count the bags as one item. I'm struggling.
You can open it.
All right. First, we got some Rain Spooner face masks. Aloha face masks. So we got a red and a blue. Looks like these are $15.99, so $16 a piece. It's pretty pricey for a face mask. What else is in here? There's this folding shopping bag from DNC, and it's got a cat on it who is playing the bagpipes and wearing a kilt.
Are you gonna open it?
No, because I'll never get it back in there. But I'm sure it looks like a little tote. We got a plaid headband.
Oh.
It's a Luke. And a fluffy keychain. I don't know who this is. It kind of looks like it would be Karl Lagerfeld because he wore those really big glasses. Oh. Oh. It's Fendi. Oh. Okay. Okay, ThredUp, Fendi. So I guess this isn't Karl Lagerfeld, but I know they make little monster keychain things. I've never seen one with like a person on it, so interesting. I am so far excited about this the most.
I know they make birds too.
They make birds?
Yeah, I think so.
That's cool. But yeah, it looks legit. It says Fendi on the hardware, so I don't know. We'll have to look that up.
Tory Burch bracelet. I could
Tory
identify
Burch.
it before I read the thing.
And they spelled Tory wrong on the thing anyways. It's not an I. Okay, take it out and let's see what it looks like. Definitely got some socks in here as usual.
Always with the socks.
Always. And usually pajamas. Might be hard to show.
Yeah.
Can they see it? Kinda. It's like a little tiny dainty one, and then it comes with the dust bag.
Yeah. That's what it's called. I can't remember.
So that's good too. So that and Fendi so far, I'm not mad at this. All right, my turn. I'll go for whatever this thing is. So
boxes?
Yeah, they're Jane and Bleecker Critter socks, 1 pair, sizes 4 to 10. And yeah, it says Fox Critter. MSRP is $20, but then Marshall's has a tag on here for $5.99. So here are the socks. They're very fuzzy, so we will probably end up keeping these because we like the fuzzy socks. And more
Socks! You ruined it.
Sorry. Sock.
It was supposed to be surprising. Anyway.
I'm crying. Okay.
West Loop men's socks for $1.
Woohoo.
Ooh.
Ballin'. All right, how many, these 3? Okay, we got 3 pairs of these like no-show socks, and they have, I think that's like a Swiss flag. No, I think the Swiss flag is white with a red cross. I don't know. It's some kind of flag.
I'm pretty sure the Swiss.
It could be like the K-Swiss logo. I don't really know. But there's 3 pairs of these socks, and they're just loose, so I don't know what sizes they are. I'm sure they just fit like general, normal shoe sizes. So yeah, we might end up keeping these as well. What does it say on the bag? Lauren by Ralph Lauren?
Yeah. Ooh, you can't see that at all.
Ooh, fancy.
Ooh.
Gold chain, is that a greenstone?
Yeah.
Little necklace. Okay, this headband is giving me a headache.
That's fun.
No.
And then
Cover our faces? No, but didn't work.
okay.
It's Lauren, Ralph Lauren.
Yeah.
According to the bag. They write on the bag. There's a lot in this one. Okay, these look like some pajama pants. Size extra small. They were $0 because they probably came in a set, which it doesn't look like we got.
$3.99.
Well, it doesn't look like we got the top piece. They're stars above, which I think is Target or Walmart. Size extra small. And they're just like a red and white striped PJ pant. You can have them if you want. They're extra small.
Cool.
Whoa. Whoa. Oh, I know what that is. All right, it's a little tote bag action, like a canvas. What does it say? Love and Joy. It's Brighton. It's like part of their love line.
Love and Joy tote.
Nice. Does it have a price? No.
It does not.
All right, well, that's not bad. It's pretty big. Ooh. Okay. We got some Rothy's, but they're just the insoles, but that's cool. They're a size US 9. I don't have any Rothy's currently because I pretty much always sell them. These have the red interior, so yeah, definitely can sell these. They've never been opened. They're brand new. I don't know what they go for on Rothy's. It just says US 9, the flat. So yeah, someone will want these for sure to replace their insoles.
Ooh, LL Bean.
More jammies? Looks like it. What does it say? Wicked comfy. We are from New England, so that
There's
makes
more.
sense. It's just the pants and the shirt. Are you gonna be able to get it back in the package all nice?
No.
Oh. So it's like a flannel plaid
Yeah.
bottoms and the wicked comfy shirt. What size? I think I saw large somewhere.
Medium regular.
Oh, medium regular. I lied, it wasn't large. That's cool. Those will definitely sell. Maybe not for a little bit because they're like a flannel. Deep marine blue. Deep marine blue. Okay, I'll take these because I know you're not going to want these. We got some more insoles. These say Omega Walk. I don't know the brand. There's nothing else on them. And it looks like you can custom cut them so that they fit your shoe size. They have the different sizes here on the toe. So I don't know. These will probably get donated, but I mean the little gel part is not too squishy, so they don't really seem all that comfortable, to be honest. And we got another bag. Cool. It's like a nautical with the anchors and flowers and the blue and white stripes. Got a brand? No.
No.
Just a unbranded little clutch thing. It's probably good for like swimwear, like wet swimwear. You can put it in there when you travel or something.
Yeah, there's like
some lining in there.
You can't really tell.
It's like some plasticky lining in there. All right, so count them up. That's 1, 2,
3,
4,
5,
6.
7,
We'll count these as 1, so 8.
9,
10, the puzzle.
11.
Okay. These all came in a bag, so they count as 12, but it's 12, 13, 14, 15.
16.
For the Walmart slide. So that was a good box. What was your favorite thing? The Walmart slides? I think this little Fendi, potentially Fendi, hopefully it's not faux, because they did send me faux Yeezy slides. Yeah, it is missing one little rhinestone on his head, I just noticed, or its head over here, but otherwise it looks good. So yeah, I'm gonna say this is my favorite item of the box. So let us know in the comments below what your favorite item was and how you think this box was. And we're gonna go into filming some more fun box unboxings, so stay tuned for those on our channel. If you like this at any point, please give it a big thumbs up for us. We really appreciate it, and it helps YouTube know what type of content you like seeing from us. And if you're not already subscribed,
Do it.
what she said, just not so aggressively.
No, do it.
Please consider subscribing. We'd love to have you here in our weird little family here on YouTube, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.